Hello everyone, and I'm so excited that you're joining me on this natural living journey. The Natural Living eCourse is basically all the information that I've learned over the years in dealing with my health, my family's health, and in really diving deep into this world of natural living and coming up with solutions which are safer, less toxic, and really nourishing, and also connect us back into nature. This course has got everything that you're going to need to really go on this natural living journey and get great success with it. So I've created the course so that there's 5 different modules, and the first module sort of sets the tone of natural living. It's called Reconnecting with Nature. And in this module there's going to be a few exercises that are going to teach you how to live more seasonally, how to reconnect back into our surroundings every single day, and also just fun projects that you can share on your Instagram accounts or share with your friends or your family, or even do with your kids. So that's a beautiful little module just to set the tone of this course. So the next module is called Exploring Plants, and this is something that's really close to my heart because I'm a really keen beginner herbalist, and it's something that I've studied over the last year or so and become very passionate about, and I think it's just a great way to really delve into the world of natural living. So in this module you can expect to find recipes on blending and creating your own herbal teas that can soothe your tummy or help you go to sleep or get you focused. So there's lots of different recipes in that little section. Plus there's a tea meditation, there's a lesson on how to make your own herbal tea garden, as well as herbal vinegars and shrubs and other beautiful recipes, as well as a little video on foraging for the particular season that we're in at the moment. Then we're going to be moving on into natural skincare, and natural skincare is a really fun module because this is where we get to detox our little skincare cabinets or cupboards in our bathroom and really get some natural products in there. And this is really easy to do. It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to learn loads of complicated skills. This is very easy but so effective. I've found such great results in going back to nature with my skincare and also my makeup and my hair care. So all of those things that I've learned over the last few years are all in that module, and there's loads of recipes. There's some seasonal facial oils which I'm really excited about. There's masks, lip balms, all that kind of thing in this module, as well as some notes on natural makeup, where to find it and how to get started with natural hair care. Then we're going to be looking at the natural home, and this is such an important module because the spray room fragrances, those plug-in room fragrances, smelly candles, all those kind of things, when they aren't natural, they're actually not great for you. They're not great for your family. So going natural in your home is really important. We're going to be looking at how we can create natural recipes for cleaners, which is a great, fun, easy thing to do. Again, everything in this course is easy, but really effective. So I've got a whole little section on natural cleaning. Then we're going to be looking at the art of aromatherapy and how to blend beautiful essential oils together and create little scents that we can either spray into the air or diffuse. Also going to be looking at how to reduce plastics in the home as well in this section. So then moving on to the final module, which is natural remedies. And this again is going to pull from some of the knowledge that we've learned at the beginning of the course with exploring plants, and we're going to be making our own tinctures, which are really intense herbal extracts which help boost our immune systems and help when we've got colds or we want to go to sleep and things like that. So you're going to be learning all about tinctures, as well as beautiful herbal honeys and syrups, as well as some herbal first aid as well. So I cannot wait for you to get stuck into this course. I'm really proud of it and I'm so excited to share it with you. And if you've got any questions at all, do just send me an email. You can get me at becky@beckyocole.com and I will answer any queries you have about the course. It is a course that you get for lifetime. As long as Teachable is still going, this course will still be available for you, and I'm going to be updating it throughout the year to add in some more seasonal recipes. So yes, I hope you really enjoy your natural living journey. I'm so excited to see what you create, and I will see you in the course.